How do you maintain concrete? If you're the owner or responsible for a wonderful new or possibly old slab of concrete and you want to know, what do I have to do to take care of this thing? The first thing you need to be aware of is there's different finishes for concrete. Sometimes it's like a broom finish. Sometimes it's like a color and texture stamp. And these ones would have different maintenance schedules, or more specifically, the type of sealer that they would need would probably be different. That's a thing you would need to know for an existing slab of concrete. But presuming that it wasn't existing and it was new, what you need to know is that maintenance of concrete comes down to preventing water from passing through the concrete. That's going to happen for sure, but that's what causes erosion over a long period of time, and you want to do what you can to prevent that. And what you can do to prevent that is apply a concrete sealer. A concrete sealer is going to help resist water permeation, and it's going to slow down that erosion process that happens naturally with concrete, and as a result, your concrete's going to last a lot longer. Depending on the type of sealer you're using, because there's different kinds out there. It sometimes is yearly, but more often every few years you're going to apply a new sealer layer of the same kind that you're already using. It's rarely, if ever, mix and match kind of situation. Normally you need to know what's there or just choose one and go with that one in particular from that point onwards for the life of the concrete. If you want concrete to look good for a long time, you should be aware that concrete, it's hard. It's a very strong substance, but really it's just a sponge. So when you expose a sponge like concrete to something like, let's say, put a planter, say at a planter box, and you put it on your nice concrete. If that planter box is leaching water with soils out onto it, you're going to have stains. And because your concrete is porous, it's going to absorb that dirty water. And in this case, you would be left with a stain where that planter was sitting. So if you want your concrete to look good and last a long time, you should seal it. And you should also be aware that concrete's porous and it's going to absorb stains. Like if you spill some spaghetti sauce on it, don't just leave it there. And also, why are you spilling spaghetti sauce in your backyard? That's crazy talk. Prevent staining by not leaving things that could stain on a porous substance like concrete, and maintain your concrete over the long haul by applying a sealer periodically. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you're going to learn a lot about concrete.